Career after BCom. Graduation is an important step in your career. Here you will get the overview of everything that you need to think about after BCom. Before you give your final exam, sit with yourself. Do some research. Think about the possible career options you can choose, and which go with your career goals. If you need guidance, talk to your parents, and take the help of your teachers and professors. Following are the higher education after BCom. 1. Chartered Accountancy. 2. MBA, Finance. 3. MCom. 4. ICWAI, Institute of Cost and Works Accountants of India. 5. Company Secretary. 6. CMA Certified Management Accountant. 7. ICCA, Association of Chartered Certified Accountants. 8. CPA. After completion of BCom, ample job opportunities are available both in public and private sector industries. Out of which, top 10 jobs for BCom graduates are mentioned below. Welcome to EV Learning Tools. Keep watching and subscribe our channel for updated information. 1. Government services. Both the central government and state government of every state have some excellent jobs for BCom graduates, which are sustainable in nature. The different department of governments like UPSC, SSC, IFS, banks, postal service, railways, defense, revenue, PWD, forest, research, healthcare, hires BCom graduate on a post of probation officer, clerks, accounts assistants, divisional officers and other posts on regular basis. The candidates have to pass out some test and eligibility exams for the same. 2. Manufacturing services. The manufacturing industries require smart BCom graduates to administer their business operations in an efficient manner. After completion of BCom, students can be appointed as assistant in charge, store store manager, storekeeper, supervisor, purchase and sale head, head of departments, inventory manager and many other posts based on their experience level. The manufacturing companies like JSW Steel, Tata Motors, Mahindra and Mahindra, etc. are frequently hires BCom graduates. 3. Accounting and Auditing. This is the most suitable and preferable section jobs for BCom freshers graduates. Candidates can work on different levels like a junior accountant, account executive, senior accountant, and accounts manager. Being a commerce student and having a complete knowledge of accounting system, such BCom graduates can work very effectively in this area, and since passing the journal entries to finalization of annual accounts, everything needs to be done here. The accounts manager also has to check the internal accounting policy and internal control process of organization, and may do some routine auditing in the capacity of internal auditor of the organization, who will also assist the statutory auditors to complete their tax audit, cost audit, statutory audit and so on. The accounts department of the organization is also liable to maintain the accounting and other records of the organization. The big companies like Infosys, Wipro, Reliance, Tata, L&T are always in a search of competent BCom graduates for their organizations. 4. International banking. As the international banking is growing in India, demand for BCom graduates are increasing in the country. The top investment banks like JP Morgan & Co., custodian banks like Bank of New York and Mello, third-party service provide like Centel and Company hires the BCom graduates to manage their entry-level tasks, mostly on the profile of associates, junior analyst, research analyst, reporting executive, billing executive and many more. These banks seek more skilled and intelligent graduates, those are having good communication and other skills. This is a very dynamic career area to explore, and also pays higher salaries to their employees as compared to others. 5. Tax advisory services. After completion of BCom and acquiring advanced knowledge in direct and indirect taxes, jobs for BCom graduates can start with tax consultancy firms of their own, who will guide and advise the different types of taxpayers to calculate and pay their statutory taxes, and files various statutory returns on monthly, quarterly, semi-annually or annually basis with different government authorities like Income Tax Department, GST Department, Professional Tax Department, Excise and Customs Department, ROC Department, etc. This is an excellent opportunity for BCom graduates to provide more tailored tax services in the society and earn handsome money. The need for such small tax advisory firms is increased in India after implementation of GST, which requires timely payment of GST taxes and filing returns thereof. 6. Commercial banking. As we are going for the concept like Digital India, a necessity of the effective banking channels are increasing in the country, and hence, a need of BCom graduates in commercial banking sector is also enhancing day by day. The banks like the private sector, public sector, scheduled banks and cooperative banks all require more BCom graduates to improve their service areas throughout their branches located in different cities. They employ such graduates on different profiles like cashier, accountant, probationary officers, clerks, reporter, compliance executive, relationship managers, and customer support, and so on. The jobs in banking industries are very much in demand, and some leading banks like HDFC, Axis, SBI, ICICI, IDBI, etc. offer job opportunities to BCom graduates on passing the necessary eligibility exam of respective banks. 7. Financial services. Finance is one of the core parts of commerce stream, thus jobs for BCom graduates, freshers, supposed to have an edge in the industry, where they can be appointed in some private finance companies, like Mahindra Finance, Shriram Finance, Bajaj Finance, DHFL, India Bulls, to sell the different financial products of the company and manage their customers on daily basis. The jobs for BCom graduates may appoint there as finance executive, sales officer, finance manager, area manager, customer support, team leader, and other positions based on the experience level of the candidate. 8. Insurance services. This is one of the most traditional financial service sectors, who hires BCom graduates in the positions like insurance agents, relationship managers, product development officers, and many more. The government sustainably takes initiatives to promote the importance of insurance within society, and they also provide the tax exemption on various insurance products. The insurance companies will train such BCom graduates to promote and sell their standard insurance products like health insurance, vehicle insurance, medical insurance, and many more. LIC is the oldest government undertaking who is rendering insurance services in India. 9. Telecommunication services and BPOs. Communication is a need for the generation, and considering the competition among telecommunication companies, every company is focusing on providing more customized and cost-effective services to their customers. To provide better customer support to the people in a country like India, a heavy customer support team is built by such companies and which is kept going. Many BCom graduates found the excellent career opportunity in such companies as customer support officers, team leaders, area managers, development managers, and many more. Companies like Idea, Reliance. 10. Other sectors. The jobs for BCom graduates freshers found to be great in business management, and they offered plenty of job opportunities in automobile companies like Bajaj Auto, Maruti Suzuki, hospitality company like Trident, media company like NDTV India, information technology companies like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, and education sector company like Potter Education Trust, real estate companies like DLF, Reliance Infrastructures to man 6H the wider business operations of such large business organizations. There are many other fields where BCom graduates are hired. Thanks for watching EV Learning Tools. Keep watching our channel, subscribe our channel for updated informations.